Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in, because we're having a new product here to check out, because this one coming from Magix Buttons. Yes, the store that sells a lot of stuff like plug and play devices, retro, you name it, they basically have it all. But we're going to take a close look at the TV G-Max, 30 different games. It has an extra mini wheel. So this is on plug and play here on the channel. If you're new, I really love to make all of these reviews. These weird, oh man, if it's weird, I want to check it out and just to show it here on the channel. Because there are so many weird stuff out there that you've never seen before. Before we go into an unboxing, let's talk about the games. What kind of games? Let's see. Play all-in-one system with an insect chase, with a motor rally, star alley, fish catcher, Elfland. Some of them are looking very familiar. Alright, oh, nevertheless, let's do an unboxing together. Let's open it up very gently because I don't want to ruin the box. But the first thing I did notice with this device is that it is a little bit differently than all the, let's say, basic plug and play devices. I'm not talking about the steering wheel, no, not at all. But I did notice that, as you can see, the normal cables are basically two jack cables. So that's quite interesting, that is very strange. But here we have the little adapter that we need to use for this version. So we can plug and play it in our television, because I'm very curious what we're going to get. It has stereo sound. Okay, so let's take a close look at the controller itself. The form factor, I still get this feeling of an Xbox controller, but maybe it's me. Select start, and here we have all the function buttons. D-pad, the wiggle D-pad. Wow! Wow, this thing is quite horrible. Is this a button or what is this? Alright, so here at the back we need to open it up because I'm guessing we're going to need 3 AAA batteries. Alright, so the system is plugged in. Let's power it on and let's see what happens. Nothing happens because I just realized I put it on the... it's the wrong channel. Alright, so it's powered on and we're ready to go. Let's see. How can we start? Okay, so we're having Runner Car, Motor Rally, Ocean Quest, List, Cobra. I think they mean Cobra, but whatever. Aero Engine. What is this guy doing with his antenna? Weird stuff. Alright, let's try Pinball Track, because I'm quite curious what is this for kind of game. Ready? Yes, I am ready. What the hell is this? Okay, I touched the hole and that was not supposed to happen. Alright, let's see. Can I go by it like this? Yep. Need to use the D-pad for this. Can I go any further? No, I can't go any further. Oh, I need to get the key. What? I didn't even freaking touch it! That's bullshit. So the game Birdie Nest or something that... Oh, he's going to take a shit. I need to catch it. Of course, there are eggs. No, he's actually going to take a shit. I'm going to catch a shit. I'm going to catch a shit. And it's game over. Bingo's up. Bingo's up. Let's see what we have here. Wow. I'm using the little... Alright, so I'm going to show you. This looks very strange and it plays weird. The fun thing is that it makes it pretty damn unplayable with this little steering wheel, but what's the point? Okay, that's it. That's one thing I needed to do. Whatever. Alright, Star Rally, let's see what we're going to get. Woo! And I killed myself already. We have tower button? Yep, we have a tower button. Oh man, that is some really horrible gameplay. I can use the steering wheel, but it goes just left and right, of course. Oh man! Woo! Zero Tiger. Alright. Let's give it a try. Is this a choplifter or something? What the hell is this? Oh, it's just another shoot 'em up. Oh crap! Okay. Hey, that sounds... How was the game called? The Gradius? No, not the Gradius. It was a game that you can basically do the same thing, shoot at the ground and shoot in the air. What's the point of... Okay, that's the point of that you just need to grab your upgrades. So as you can see, the games are pretty basic and straightforward. Bullfighter. Let's see. Oh, again, just the basic shoot 'em up. With the basic upgrades. The D-pad is very responsive. Alright, so let's try a racing game. Very curious about the racing wheel. Oh. What is this? No, I can't use this. I can't use the steering wheel for this video game. That's it. More like in checkpoint game. You go to the flag, you grab the flag, and you drive some more. Yeah, that's quite boring. Bump car. There are a lot of weird games on this device. What the hell is that? Okay. Okay, we can use the steering wheel for this one. Or what? Yeah. Okay, and don't... Wasn't this game called Bump Car? It's more like don't bump in anything car game whatsoever. What the hell is this thing? Nothing. Why is this bridge? What the hell is this? Well, I didn't find any great racing games for the steering wheel. Okay, let's try GP Racer because I want to try out the racing wheel because that makes this thing quite special. Okay. Oh yeah, 8-bit sound, people. It's very responsive. Not really a big dead zone or something in it. Oh, sure. Yeah, Wicked. It goes great. Go on, go on. Yeah. No. No, 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 no. Oh. Alright, so let's try another game. Let's try the last game. Ultra Doggy. Space Castle. Which one? Elfland. We're going for Elfland. Looks like a fun game. Yeah, alright. Okay, so I need to change in the color to defeat my enemy. Something like that. The D-pad doesn't work. Why is the D-pad not working? Come on. So I just bump into them. Yeah, I just kill them like this. Okay, and then I need to bash him again for basically finishing them off. But I don't get it why my D-pad is not responding. Oh, it's horrible. Oh my god, it is horrible. Alright, so there you have it guys, the G-Mix with the steering wheel. So I must hand it to him, it works quite well. There was not really a big dead zone or something like that, so that's really fun. By the way, only quite a couple of games that are functional for the steering wheel. This thing's in very good condition. But yeah, I can still remember the days that they buying this just for, let's say, plug and play, already says it. It's more like a collectible item nowadays. The games itself, yeah, 8-bit stuff, the 8-bit fetish like always. So this is what you're going to get. Let me know, what do you think of this device? I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.